Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to connect Stripe to Grigora Ecommerce. Let's understand how to set this up step by step. First, head over to your Grigora site dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Commerce and open the settings. Inside Settings, select Payments and then open the Stripe option. A pop-up will appear asking for your publishable key, secret key, and webhook secret. To get these, go to your Stripe dashboard. Click on Developers in the bottom left corner and then click on API Keys. Here, you will find your publishable key and secret key. Copy and paste them in Grigora. Next, copy the Stripe webhook URL provided in Grigora. Go back to Stripe, click on Developers in the bottom left again, and select Webhooks. Click on Add Destination. Choose to select all events and click Continue. Keep the webhook endpoint option selected and click Continue. Click Continue again. Paste the endpoint URL you copied from Grigora and click Continue. Paste the endpoint URL once more. Click Continue, and finally, click on Add Destinations. After adding the destination, Stripe will generate your webhook secret. Copy this secret key and paste it into the final field in Grigora. Now your Stripe integration is configured. That's it. See you in the next one.